Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you amazing people for all the love and support. It really motivates us to bring forward some of the exciting content to you. Thank you. In this video, we will take you on a captivating journey into the realm of India's Chandrayaan missions. Prepare to explore the mysteries of the moon and witness the remarkable achievements of these lunar expeditions. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The Chandrayaan missions are a series of lunar exploration missions conducted by the Indian Space Research Organization, launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, India. Chandrayaan translates to moon vehicle in Sanskrit. These missions have played a significant role in India's space program and have contributed to our understanding of the moon's surface, composition and its evolution. Let's take a brief look at each mission. Chandrayaan-1 was India's first lunar exploration mission, designed to study the moon's surface and its composition. The mission aimed to enhance India's technological capabilities in space and provide valuable scientific data about the moon. The spacecraft, launched on October 22, 2008, was carried into space by India's Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Chandrayaan-1 carried 11 scientific instruments, including 5 Indian payloads and 6 payloads from other countries. The spacecraft was orbiting around the moon at a height of 100 km from the lunar surface for chemical, mineralogical and photogeologic mapping of the moon. Chandrayaan-1 made significant scientific discoveries during its operational period. The M3 identified the presence of water molecules on the moon, primarily in the polar regions, confirmed the presence of hydroxyl and water ice in lunar craters. The mission provided a detailed map of the lunar surface, helping in identification of various minerals and potential resources for future human habitability on the moon. After completion of the major mission objectives, the orbit was raised to 200 km in May 2009. The satellite made more than 3,400 orbits around the moon in its lifetime. The mission was concluded after the communication with the spacecraft was lost on August 29, 2009. Building upon the success of Chandrayaan-1, India set its sight on an audacious goal: to land a rover on the moon where no country has gone before, the unexplored south pole of the moon. Enter Chandrayaan-2, a mission of unparalleled ambition. The spacecraft, launched on July 22, 2019, was carried into space by India's geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle Mark III. It comprised an orbiter, lander and rover to explore the origin and evolution of the moon. The orbiter, weighing 2,379 kg, served as a communication link between Earth and the lunar mission. It carried several scientific instruments for studying the moon's surface and atmosphere. Lander Vikram, weighing 1,471 kg, was designed to make a soft landing on the lunar surface near the South Pole. It housed the Pragyan rover. Pragyan, weighing 27 kg, was designed to explore the lunar surface, analyze soil samples and conduct experiments. After entering lunar orbit, the lander Vikram separated from the orbiter and initiated descent towards the lunar surface. The lander attempted a soft landing near the lunar south pole, in the region called the South Polar region. However, during the final descent, contact with the lander was lost when it was just 2.1 kilometers above the lunar surface. Although the lander Vikram was unable to land successfully, the orbiter component of Chandrayaan-2 continued to orbit the moon. The orbiter, which carried most of the scientific instruments, continued to function and collect valuable data about the moon. Undeterred by the challenges, India sets its sight on Chandrayaan-3, the next chapter in its lunar exploration odyssey. Chandrayaan-3 aims to build upon the successes and lessons learned from the previous missions. The fourth operational mission, M4 of LV-M3 vehicle, launched Chandrayaan-3 into orbit on July 14, 2023 successfully. The mission objectives are to demonstrate safe and soft landing on lunar surface, to demonstrate rover roving on the moon and to conduct in situ scientific experiments. Chandrayaan 3 consists of lander and rover configuration. The propulsion module will carry the lander and rover configuration till 100 km lunar orbit. Apart from this, the propulsion module also has one scientific payload as a value addition to study the spectral and polarimetric measurements of Earth from the lunar orbit, which will be operated post-separation from lander. The lander Vikram will have the capability to soft land at a specified lunar site and deploy the rover, Pragya, which will carry out in situ chemical analysis of the lunar surface during the course of its mobility. The lander and rover are expected to land near the lunar South Pole region in the last week of August 2023. Spacecraft has covered about 2/3 of the distance to the moon. Early on August 1st, the spacecraft has entered Moon's sphere of influence. On August 5th, the spacecraft was successfully inserted into the Moon's orbit and will prepare for a smooth touchdown on the surface in the next 2 weeks. The process of lunar orbit insertion is a complex one. To achieve this, the spacecraft first maneuvers away from Earth's orbit and then enters a crucial point in the Moon's gravity where the Moon's influence on the spacecraft becomes apparent. The Chandrayaan missions are a source of immense pride for both India and ISRO. Today, let's congratulate as we delve deeper into the captivating world of Chandrayaan missions, celebrating India's scientific prowess and its tireless quest to unravel the mysteries of the moon.